Hello, welcome to today's talk. Today we'll be discussing the most famous equation in physics. As you are probably aware, the most famous equation in physics is E is equal to mc square. This was given to us by Albert Einstein. Now, why is this equation so important? And how did Einstein derive this equation? These are the two questions that we'll be exploring in this video. Now, this equation tells us that if we have a mass m, then the body possesses an energy equal to mc square, where c is the speed of light in air or in vacuum. Now, what is so important is that this equation tells us that energy and mass are equivalent. Mass is something that all matter possesses, whereas energy is the ability of a body to do work. So, the idea that these two things are equivalent was very novel in physics. Now, the value of C is very large. So, if you have a tiny mass and you multiply it with C square, you would get a tremendous amount of energy. This equation lies in the heart of nuclear reactors and also the energy processes in stars like the sun. In the sun, hydrogen gets converted to helium and 0.7% of the mass gets converted to energy. Now, how did Einstein derive this equation? For this, he carried out a thought experiment in which he imagined that there was a body of mass m with energy E0 and that it emitted two light pulses in opposite directions. Because of symmetry, the mass would remain stationary. Then he analyzed the same problem from the perspective of a body moving at a speed v with respect to the original mass. And then he applied the postulates of special theory of relativity and derived the equation. We'll be talking more about the special theory of relativity in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.